Good morning students. Today I am going to start numerical which are based on projectile fired parallel to horizontal. To begin with, first numerical, an aeroplane is flying horizontally at a height 490 meter with a velocity of 36 km per hour. Right? A bag containing ration is to be dropped to the Jawan on the ground. How far from should the bag be released so that falls directly over them? So now see the situation. Suppose this aeroplane flying horizontally with speed u equal 360 km per hour. 360 km per hour. Okay. If we drop anything from this window, then after releasing the body from this window, body gains the velocity of aeroplane, means moving velocity. So it will not fall vertically downward. It moves like this. Okay. Our aim is to drop the bag of ration to the Jawan. Suppose Jawan are standing here. Okay. So how far from them should the bag be released? Means we have to calculate this distance. Okay. To note the given value, what are given in this equation? Height of 490 means this height is given 490 meters. So H equal 490 meter and U equal to 360 km per hour. So first we convert kilometer per hour into meter per second by multiplying 5 upon 18, 18 to the 36 means 20, 5 to 100 meter per second. And we have to calculate R, means this distance is known as horizontal range. Okay. So first we know the formula of range. How can we calculate the range? So as we know that distance equal to speed into time. Okay. And UF is equal to U into time. To U, the time is under root 2h upon g. Now put the value. U 100 under root 2 into value of h 490 upon value of g is 9.8. Now point down 0 is area 98 5 the 490 0. It means 100 into 52 the 100 रूट लेंगे क्या मिलेगा 10. It means horizontal range will be 1000 meter. Means the bag should release before 1000 meter. Okay. Now note the next problem. A stone is dropped from the window of a bus moving at 60 km per hour. If the window is 1.96 meter high, find the distance along the track which the stone moved before striking the ground. So now try to understand the situation. Suppose this is the bus. Okay. And the person drop a stone from this window which is 1.96 meter high, means this distance h equal to 1.96 meter high. So when the passenger drop the stone and bus is moving. So as the passenger release the stone, after that stone gains the velocity of bus and moves like this. So here we have to calculate the distance along which the track, means this distance, these are equal to question mark. Okay. So velocity of bus, suppose u is given 60 kilometer per hour. So first we convert kilometer per hour into meter per second by multiplying 5 upon 18. So 6 10 is 60, 6 3 is 18, means 50 by 3 meter per second. Okay. And we have to calculate the value of r. Now note the formula for range: r equal to u under root 2h upon g. So here value of u is 50 upon 3 under root 2 into value of h 1.96 into, and the value of g is 9.8. So point to point cancel and 0. So 98 10 the 980 or 98 to the 196. So 50 upon 3 under root 2 to the 4 upon 10. Okay. So 50 by 3 into root of 4 is 2 and root of 10 is 3.16. So we get here 100 upon 3 6 is 18 1, 3 1 is 3 or 1 4 or 3 3 is 9. Means 100 upon 9.48. After dividing this, we get the answer of this range. Okay. So now divide the 100 into 948. After removing the point, we increase the 0 here to 1, means 948. Subtracting 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 4 5 and 0 here. Okay. So 0, now 0 point, kitna hoga? Again 0. 5 10. So 5 8 is 44, 5 4 is 24, 24 2, or 5 9 is 45 or 2 47. Okay. So this 0, 6, 11 minus 7 means 4. Again 0 here. So the final answer will be, means r equal 10.54 meter. Okay. Now note the next problem. Two tall buildings face each other and are at a distance of 180 meter from each other. With what velocity must a ball be thrown horizontally from a window 55 meter above the ground in one building, so that it enters the window 10.9 meter above the ground in second building? Now see the situation. Suppose these two tall buildings, this is the ground, and 180 meter from each other, face each other. Okay. With what velocity must a ball be thrown horizontally from a window 55 meter above the ground in one building? Suppose this is the window which is at 55 meter from the ground. A ball is thrown horizontally from this window, so that it enters a window 10.9 meter above the ground in second building. So in this building, this is the window which is 10.9 meter from the ground, and this ball should enter to this window. Okay. Clear? So we have to calculate this velocity. Okay. So first we note the difference between two windows. So this distance become 144 means 44.1 meter. Okay. So from this figure we can say that h equal to 44.1 meter, u equal to question mark, and r equal to 180 meter. Okay. So as we know that r equal u under root 2h upon g. So now put the value. Here r is given 180 equal to u. We have to find the value of u under root 2 into 44.1 upon 9.8. Okay, this point to point cancel. तो 2 से कैंसिल करो ये 49 and 49 9s are 481. Sorry, 9. So 180 equal to u and root of 9 means 3. So u is equal to 180 by 3 equal to 60 meter per second. Okay. So speed of ball will be 60 meter per second. The next problem. A body is projected horizontally from the top of a cliff with a velocity of 9.8 meter per second. What time lapses before the horizontal and vertical velocity become equal? Okay. So suppose this one is the cliff and a body is through horizontally, means ux equal to 9.8 meter per second. What time lapses before horizontal and vertical velocity become equal? Means Vx equal to Vy. At what time the velocity become equal? Means t equal to question mark. So according to first equation of motion, v equal to u plus at. So ux plus ax into t equal to uy plus g into t. Okay. So horizontal velocity is 9.8, but horizontal acceleration always equal to 0. Here right side, the vertical component of velocity means we have to throw the ball through the body horizontally, means uy equal to 0, and the velocity of g is 9.8 and t equal to question mark. So 9.8 equal to 9.80 means t equal to 9.8 upon 9.8 is cancelled, means t equal to 1 second. So we can say that after 1 second their horizontal and vertical velocity become equal. Another important problem. A projectile is fired horizontally with a velocity of 98 meter per second from the top of a hill 49 meter high. Find number 1 velocity with which projectile strike the ground, and number 2 time to reach the ground, and number 3 distance of target from the hill. Okay. So note the given value here. U equal 98 meter per second and h equal 490 meter. The velocity with which projectile strike the ground means v equal to question mark, and time taken to reach the ground t equal to question mark, and distance of target from the hill means range r equal to question mark. Okay. So you should note the one important formula. The velocity with which projectile strike the ground v equal to under root u square plus twice gh. Okay. So now put the value. U square means 98 square plus 2 into 9.8 into h 490. Okay, तो 98 square plus this 0, the point cancel, so 49 to the 98 and again 98 means 98 square. So we can write 2 into 98 square. So 98 root 2 is the velocity, unit is meter per second, or you can multiply by the value of root 2. So 98 into 1.414, then the answer will be 138.57 meter per second. Okay. P equal to under root 2h upon g. So under root 2 value of h 490 upon 9.8 to 0.0 is now 9800 upon 98 to 98 now 100, root of 100 means 10 seconds. It will be of r equal to u into t. The value of u is 98 into value of t. ठीक है, तो value of t in second part will be कितना 10. So the range will be 980